Hello, my dear and fellow artists. Welcome to the closure of 2019. Now, from each month of this year's 2019, me and the cameraman selected just one drawing of each month of this year. Because we've had a great deal of studies and I've managed to upload every Friday, so in total that would be 52 drawings, but for this overview we have selected one drawing of each month. So let's have a look of what we have been doing, kind of. Well, in January I started with a happy 2019 with this funny dog with balls in his mouth, of course. And in February we continued, and one of those drawings was a huge drawing in charcoal of a big whale, which is quite amazing to do. And I found out I liked charcoal very much. But what we've also done is we've taken up the portrait drawings. So here's a study of drawing two eyes, which can be very difficult, of course. And we continued, and of course also landscapes will pass the review. And this is Peggy's Cove, also a charcoal drawing in this case, very lovely to do. Now in May I picked up the charcoals again and we continued drawing portraits, and this lovely lady here is sitting in the grass, and well, excellent study. In the month of June one of the drawings was on black paper. Now drawing on black paper can be very useful indeed, because you learn to draw the lights. And in the month of July that resulted in the lady in red walking towards a bridge, also on black. So I wanted to show you this and how good it is to study this. Now in the month of August I took it a little bit slower on the YouTube, but I took out my easel, went out to my town village and was drawing urban. And in the month of September I pushed back on those portraits again. Here I was studying from drawing from a sculpture, which makes you look like a sculpture and draw like a sculpture. And in this month we also picked up in the dry brush technique. Now this is a very difficult technique, but maybe I will come back to it in 2020. And this one is my favorite. It's a marvelous study of a horse with all the bone structures and stuff. I want to definitely come back with that in 2020. And in the last month of December, this portrait came out on Pampastel with the pastels on the Clairefontaine paper. So quite a development. Now I wish you of course all a creative 2020, and I want to thank you all for watching and drawing along. And also I want to thank you for all the sweet comments, but also the shares on Facebook and shares on Instagram. And of course I want a special thank you to be placed to my patrons that support me on my Patreon page and make it able for me to keep uploading. So, conclusion, I wish you all a marvelous 2020 with all the joy and creativity in creating loads and loads of awesome drawings. Take care. I will see you next Friday in the new year, and all the love from me, Lineke Lijn.